Hello traders and welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's Mavi from Trailblazers Trading View, and in this video I'll be going over the trade that happened on Monday. It was a counter trend buy on EURUSD that eventually ran for a 1 to 10. I sent the markup to the public community on Telegram earlier on before the move even happened. So yeah, you can check the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. And yeah, let's get straight into it without wasting much of our time. So I started from the 4 hour time frame here. So coming into the market on Monday, what was I saying? I was saying the fact that present market structure was extremely bearish. So what makes sense to look out for was actually sell trades, but you can get counter trend buy trades, but like they are highly risky and you should know your way around the market pretty much if you're going to be doing that. Yeah, so I had seen this supply zone from here. I saw the supply zone from here. Price mitigated the supply zone on the 4 hour time frame. I went to the 1 hour to see what makes sense. I went to the 1 hour and I saw that yeah, this area that mitigated the 4 hour supply broke the structural point. So a break of structure happened there, US. Then it had created the supply just before the break of structure. And we had a supply. The price mitigated the supply on Friday. Here. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Let me turn on my session indicator so we can see what was on Monday, what happened on Monday. So this was Monday here. Ladies. So this was on Friday during New York. This was on Friday during New York session. Price mitigated this supply zone during New York on Friday, then it dropped down. So coming into the market, what I was seeing was the fact that we had a break of structure to the upside from here. Also, BOS. We had a break of the structure. Now let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see the clear demand zone there. And this demand zone was very clear. We had this clear demand zone from here. Demand. We had this very clear zone. So I actually sent this markup to the community on Monday before London session. Yeah, I actually predicted that we're going to see a move up to some level around here before maybe we get a sell trade or something. But yeah, this was what I was expecting basically, a move up from here. Now that we understand that trend is extremely bearish, but this is a counter trend move, so if we have to play it, we have to play it wisely. Now let me go to my lower time frame for my confirmation entry. Let me delete this. So here on the 1 minute, what I could see when I came into the market on Monday, when I came into the market on Monday was the fact that price had built this liquidity pool. Now we should understand what liquidity pools are. This way we have this retail concepts of support and resistance or whatever, equal highs, equal lows. Price eventually took this out from this area. So what I was expecting was a change of character basically. And what does the change of character mean? It means the start of a new trend on the lower time frame. So I was waiting for the 1 minute time frame to switch to a bullish market structure before actually taking the trade. Because now I understand the fact that I'm in a demand zone on the 15 minute. This is a 15-minute demand zone, but we have to be like aware that this is a counter trend and it's highly risky. So let me flip price forward. So yeah, price broke structure from this area. We had the change of character here. Change of character, change of character. So now what is the visible demand zone for us to look at? I could see the zone here. Now this zone was about a 5 pips stop loss here, if I'm not mistaken. About 5 pip here. Now some people would have used the 50%, but in that sense, if you had used the 50%, you would have missed this trade. So I was okay with part of it. I was okay that I was going to use this anyways, about a 5 pip stop loss. And now before having an entry, you are to be aware of where your target is. So I went to the 30 minutes for my target. I went to check what actually makes sense on this time frame. I could see this break of structure from here. Then I could see the supply zone. Then I knew, okay, it makes sense for me to look for a buy trade, then exit somewhere around here. This was about a 50 or 60 pip profit margin. Let me calculate this. Let's say 55 over here. But let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. Now, placing a buy limit, you have to be aware of if you are trading a zero spreads account, you should add spreads for your limit order so you can get filled. So I placed this here. The stop loss was just right below here a little bit. Entry gotten, exit gotten. Now we just place the trade and see what the market wants to do. So yeah, price eventually filled us. Then it rallied straight to take profit. It eventually came back to the entry point, but yeah, just let market do what it wants to do. And to be honest, at this point when it came back to the entry point, I was thinking like, okay, maybe it's going to hit the stop loss because, like I said from the beginning of this video, we are heavily against trend. So getting those counter trend moves is like it's extremely risky. But yeah, price did what it wants to do, and it eventually got to the target. Now having your target, having and getting that sniper entry or whatever you call it is as important as knowing when to exit the trade. Yeah, so that's all for this video. You want to 10 at the end of the day, a solid one. Lasted for how many hours? For about how many hours was this? How do they check this thing? 8. For about five to 6 hours this trade, yeah. So if you're new to the channel, ensure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more content, and this is the breakdown from on Monday. Take care and trade safe.